tried Nature's Delight's new all-organic cookies? Hi! Have you tried Nature's Delight's all new organic cookies?
I haven't. This is fabulous.
Lucky for you, you can now find it in your local grocery store. Oh, you like to recycle? Well, you would love these Nature's Delight cookies.
Why bake when you can try our eco-friendly cookies?
These are delicious.
Nature's Delight! Now look for the cookie with the green recycling symbol and win a free Mac Pro environment.